Hi, I'm Danny Lipford. As a contractor and home improvement TV host, I know that quality workmanship begins with quality materials. So I really took notice when Owens Corning made the industry's best bats even better with their new pink next-gen fiberglass insulation. You see, this stuff allows you to get the job done faster and more accurately. Because of its improved stiffness, it recovers instantly and fills perfectly into the cavity without fluffing or compressing. It guides easily into wall cavities, cuts cleanly in one pass, and fills completely, which means you get time-saving precision from every package. All those advantages translate into savings for you because installation goes up to 23% faster and is more likely to pass inspections the first time around. It's no wonder professional insulation contractors prefer pink next-gen fiberglass in a blind product trial. Now, not only is it cost-effective and easy to use, but it also produces less dust and stray chunks, which makes overhead work and job site cleanup much easier. So get more cost-effective R value per inch without mixing of the hazardous chemicals associated with spray foam. Get pink next-gen fiberglass insulation.